You all have heard of positive affirmations, but do they really work? Well, the science is in, and the answer is a resounding yes when done right. Today we'll explore how to harness affirmations effectively and move from cheesy sounding statements to genuine shifts in self-belief. Reprogramming your brain. Remember your self-schemas from a few lectures back? Those mental blueprints that shape how you see yourself. Affirmations are a tool for intentionally rewriting those scripts. When you repeat positive statements about yourself, you are essentially laying down new neural pathways of confidence and self-worth. Let's see how many people get it wrong. Affirmations beyond wishful thinking. Generic affirmations like "I'm a millionaire" may feel good in the particular moment, but if they're far too removed from your current reality, your brain may reject them, leading to even more doubts. The key is to make affirmations believable and specific to you. Actions plus affirmation is equal to the powerful transformation. Affirmations work best when paired with action. Think of them as the fuel for your confidence journey, not a magical shortcut. Let's have a formula for effective affirmations. Present tense, I am, not I will be. Be specific, I'm a capable writer, instead of I'm good at this. Anchored in effort. I'm learning to manage my anxiety rather than I'm always calm. Let's have a look towards a few examples. For instance, we have a job search. I'm putting myself out there and open to new opportunities. Social confidence. I'm a good listener and have interesting things to share out. Body image. I nourish my body with healthy choices because I care about myself. How to make them work for you. Repetition is the key. Post them where you see them often, or say them out loud with conviction, or make them your phone wallpaper. Focus on the feeling. Don't just say the words. Try to truly connect with the sentiment they express. Review and adjust. As your confidence grows, your affirmations can evolve, becoming bolder as you do.